Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. Hey everybody, so of course I'm starting out with my eyebrows already done like I normally do, and I'm going into my Naked palette. This is just going to be the first color, the transition color for my base for my eyelid, and I always like to do a transition color just to help blend the colors more seamlessly. I'm going to go in a little bit darker with my favorite one, my MAC Brown Script, and just add a little bit more depth in my transition color. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, the bright colors. I'm using my, what is this palette? My Crayola crayon palette. I know you guys have seen this all over Instagram. It took me forever to get this palette, but I'm going to go in with the pink color as a little bit of a base for my eyelid color. I'm going to be using a few different colors as far as transition and just building up those colors, but right now I wanted to start off with this pretty light pink as a nice base for my eyelids. Okay, so I really wanted to talk about the way I hold my brush. If you all can see, I'm holding it at the end of the brush. I'm not holding it up to the beginning where the bristles are, because this helps me as far as how much color I'm packing on. You don't want to do too much too soon, because that could just be a disaster. But if you start very lightly and you hold it at the end, then you can build up the color the way you need it to. So here, as you can see, I'm starting to do a cut crease. It's not going to be a full cut crease. It's going to be a half cut crease. So you won't see me drag the concealer all the way to the outside edge of my eyelid. I'm just going to take it about midway on the eyelid. But I'm just using my normal LA Pro Conceal concealer to do this cut crease. So going back into the box of crayon palettes, I'm going to use that pretty sparkly purple, and I want to make a nice purple base on the eyelid, because later we are going to add that sparkly glitter. But I always like to add a base first. It just really helps the glitter to pop, and it really gives it a nice background to reflect off of, just in case your glitter might be a little patchy, or sometimes it's a little it's not as opaque as you need it to be. Adding a nice background really will help it pop and give you that wow factor that you're looking for. Okay, so now I'm just going in with a little bit more darker purple, because I want to darken up that outer V area, and I am tapping on my glue. So I just use my fingers to tap on the glue. This is just e.l.f. glitter primer glue, and it acts as a nice adhesive for my glitter. So as you can see, this glitter I made myself. This is regular glitter from Michael's, I believe. Yeah, Michael's. And I kind of just bought glitter and mixed it. It's chunky and small glitter together. Mixed it together, and I bought these little containers, and yeah, that is the glitter that I'm using. It's my own creation from Michael's. I do want to add that when using glitter, especially glitter like this that's not specifically for the eye area, you want to make sure you're very careful. You do not want to get any of that fallout glitter in your eye. My favorite part here, guys, is this wing liner, as you can see. And so I've learned that when using glitter, it's always best to do the glitter first and then go over top of the glitter once it has dried with the wing liner. It really helps to get that glitter to pop, and it's hard to kind of trace underneath the glitter, so going over it just makes it a little bit easier. And I decided to add a little extra pizzazz with my glitter highlighter. Is that what it's called? Highlighter or liner. Sorry, my glitter eyeliner, and just kind of do a cut crease overall. Alright, so now we are going in with the foundation, which is not my favorite part of the makeup routine. For some reason, I hate doing foundation, but I love this foundation. This, of course, is my Giorgio Armani, the one I always use because it gives me beautiful coverage, beautiful buildable coverage. So I am just putting foundation down. I'm going to go in with my highlight, which is the NARS Creamy Concealer Highlight, and then of course my Black Radiance Contour Palette. So now that we have done the eyeliner and kind of added a little highlight to the inner tear duct of our eye, I am going to go in with my favorite part, you all know, is the highlighter on the face and the cheeks. I love this. This is my Wet n Wild Precious Petals palette. Got it from Walmart. It's very cheap and affordable. If you don't have it, go get it. But I just love, love, love this highlighter palette, and I love the way it looks, and I love the price. Okay guys, so for the finishing touches, of course, I'm just highlighting my nose. I'm going to add lashes, probably most likely off camera because it takes me a while to do it. And then the last step that I always do is my lipstick. This is just a Revlon pink lipstick. I had it for years. I don't even know the color of it. But this is pretty much it. It's getting to the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you use this one for your Valentine's Day. If you like it, or if it's something you think you might use, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. See you all next time. Bye.